Hi, good afternoon. Sunday the 23rd of November 2025, and this is the long form video showing you the latest updates to my 1951 BSA Green Lane. As you can see here, I've fitted a temporary horizontal spar between the front wheel spindle and the bottom of the mudguard, and I have my first iteration of a road testable dry fitted prototype front mudguard. The mudguard is an OEM Speedwell mudguard, and it would have originally been manufactured for a number of British motorcycles, but this is all around getting the vertical and horizontal spacing uniform on the radius and circumference of the rather large 2.75 by 19 front tyre. My Bantam is nearly ready to go. I've run out of aluminium, and once I do, I'll remove the horizontal flat plate alloy bars with tube bar and get the vertical stays completely manufactured. Thanks for watching. Ride safe.